Hello and welcome to Stock Stories in Scale. Bani had set the clock, building the future of batteries. Tata Capital's forthcoming IPO.
Do not just get ready for stocks on the move. Your quick, insightful take on the businesses driving India's markets. We break down complex stories into simple 4-5 charts, focusing on business models, risk analysis, and the future course of action. Here, you will also discover inspiring journeys from visionary CEOs to startup founders shaping tomorrow. And to sharpen your edge, we bring you investment wisdom from those who have turned conviction into billions. Because this is not just about market, it's about the stories, the strategies, and the skill that build wealth.
If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.